And now we're ready. What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're looking at another wireless earbuds. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of unboxing just like this one. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and check out my merch below as well at 1130.ca. And here we go. So today we're looking at Vankyo Alpha X180. So it says here in the box that it has a lightweight design, multifunction like making calls, listen to music, activate voice assistants and more. Apparently it's as light as a 1 Zippo or 2 lipsticks. Wow, that's attention to detail right there. It says easy to use. We'll see about that. We'll try it out. Single step to get earbuds connected with your mobile device. Pretty good. It also has stable connection. Long distance transmission, bring you hassle-free wireless experience. Okay. Well, we'll see about that. We're gonna try it out and see how well it does. But before anything else, let's take a sip. If you're from Edmonton, Alberta, you can order yourself one of these. If you're around Edmonton, they will do a local delivery. It's called The Wall. So go ahead and check them out. I'll link them down in the description below. So let's go ahead and unbox this. If you want to get one of these as well, I'll link this down in the description below. Let's do it. Come on now. Just freaking. Yes. Just 1 second. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Come take a look at this. I got a knife. Right here. See that? Your boy Tech Tricks got an upgrade. See that? See that? What do you think of that? Huh? Not bad, hey? Here we go. Ease. Ease. And then if you want to put it back, boom. Wow. First impression, it's actually really nice. I actually like this design, very shiny. I don't know how long that will take in your pocket, how long the shininess will last. But we're gonna go ahead and open it up. It says here that there's cable and earbuds, 2 different tips. So I guess it's small, medium, large, right? The ones with the earbuds and also the large and the small right there. Pretty good. Let's toss that on the side. Cable right here. Love that. USB-C. That's good. Good addition, definitely. This is the case as well. As you can see there, it's pretty good design. It's very small. Plasticky though, if you don't like plastic, that'll it does feel a little bit cheap on the hinge there, but it's not bad design actually. For me, I'd do with that. It has a good kind of lipsticky sound as well. Hear that? Vankyo on top right there. So now what we will do is we're gonna put this inside there. Let's see how well that does. Goes in pretty well. There you go. And there you go. Closes very well. Very nice. So let's put that on the side for now. There you go, some literature. We're happy that you are happy. Oh, okay. Boom. Instructions on how to pair it. We'll show you today how to do that anyway, so, and some user manual. And that's that. Let's put that on the side and let's try these out. Put this in our ears, see how it fits in there. I really have small ears, so for those of you who have small ears, you might feel the same way as me. But this really makes my feel really full, right in there. Yeah, it's definitely full. There you go. Definitely really full on there. But I like it because it doesn't protrude as much, as you could see there. What do you think of that? Not bad, right? It's almost flush to your ears except for this part right here. So not bad at all. Now let's go ahead and pair it. Let's get our phone. Right here we're gonna go to settings, Bluetooth, and then we're gonna go all the way down. Brand new Alpha X180. There you go. It says connected, and right away it'll start playing the music. That's pretty cool. Let's see how loud it gets. That's about halfway. For me, I like it like that. Just halfway. Not too loud, not too crazy. Yeah, I wouldn't do full blast on this. It's really loud. Let's see the quality of this. We're gonna go and check out some bass booster music from YouTube here. I'm not really sure about the bass here. So I'm about 80%. I'm starting to feel it now. It's pretty good. You definitely need some volume before you can listen to that quality. At about 90%, I feel like it starts to distort. I like this beat, man. Comment below if I should start a TikTok dance off, you know? Yeah, definitely it's some It's pretty good quality for the most part. I would say that the bass needs to be up more. So right now you can grab this for about $70 on Amazon.ca in Canada, Amazon. And really, for $70, I think that this is a really good price. If you don't want to spend too much over $100 on a piece of tech like this, then this is really good for its price. So now let's go ahead and test out the touch controls. So one of the features that the Alpha X180 has is the touch control. So literally the side here, as you could see, there is a touch control. So if you tap and hold the touchpad of the left ear, it'll bring the volume down, as you could see there. But if you touch the right side, it'll bring the volume up. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So now to play and pause the music, all you need to do is just touch once. There you go. Play and pause. And you could do it on the other side as well. Boom. So if you want to go previous, all you need to do is double tap the touchpad. There you go. Double tap. Again. There you go. And then if you want to go next, double tap the right side. And there you go. Pretty cool. It actually works very well. If you have a call, you can tap either of the earbuds to answer the call. If you want to end the call, during the call, just tap it once. That'll end the call. If you want to decline the call, all you need to do is hold it for 2 seconds. Either one would work. And if you want to call the last caller that called you, or maybe the latest caller that you've called from the past, all you need to do is tap 3 times the right earbud. That's pretty cool. So I like how the Alpha X180 has a lot of features on the touchpad. I really like their design here with the round design and a touchpad in the middle, and that'll become useful without you taking off the earbud or anything like that. So that's pretty cool. Or even lifting up your phone. You could do all that just from the earbuds. You can also tap 3 times on the left earbud to bring up Siri. Let's try that out right now. And there you go. Tap 3 times and you'll get Siri. That's pretty cool. Play my music. Very nice. So now what we can do now is change out the tips and show you how it's done. I actually have very small ears, so what I really like is the small tips. All you need to do is just pull this out like that. Choose the tips that you want. Maybe you want the large one, smaller, medium size there. Pretty cool. And so let's try out a few tips here and see which one is the best for me. I'm gonna try out the small one first. Usually that works very well for me. Now unfortunately this earbuds doesn't have an active noise cancelling, but it does cancel out a lot of noise through just passively through the earbuds. So let's try that out now. There you go. It went in more this time. And that's it. It actually blocks out more because it fits my ear way better. Earlier it wasn't blocking a lot of noise, but now it is. Now let's try out a different song. Let's try out the bass boosting song that I have. Maybe it helps with the bass. Yeah, it definitely helped. So make sure if you have one of these, that you have the right tips for your ears. Right now I have it about 3/4 in a way, and that is good enough for me. That's all I need. So that's pretty cool. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on what to get for true wireless earbuds. Today we saw and tried out the Vankyo Alpha X180. I don't know about you, but I think this is one of the best deals for earbuds right now with best qualities as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come. Make sure to check out the wall rosary on a link down in the description below. If you want to get one of these as well, I'll link this down in the description below. I hope you guys have a good day. Wear your mask out there, stay safe, and have a great day. Stay grateful. Peace!